Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Liberty Fabrics and Swell bottle. So this is some people call it a water bottle. I use it for anything, hot, cold, like whatever. So it's just a drink bottle, basically. So the description on the website says that established in 2010, Swell is the only reusable bottle that looks great and does good. Featuring designer collections that are updated twice a year, Swell keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 while giving back to those in need. So side note, every purchase, like a percentage of it also goes to like a charity for like homeless people. Swell bottles are beautifully crafted and designed to last. They're composed of non-leaching, non-toxic 1/8 premium grade stainless steel. Swell bottles are double-walled and constructed with an extra layer of copper to eliminate condensation so they never sweat on your hands or in your bag. Designed to suit all of your hydration needs, Swell comes in 3 sizes, a 9-ounce, 17-ounce, and a 25-ounce. Whether you're on the road or in the office, there's a Swell bottle for you. Take your morning coffee or tea to go in a 9-ounce bottle or fill it with juice for your little one's lunchbox. Stay cool and hydrated during yoga or a long meeting with a 17-ounce bottle, or fill a 25-ounce Swell with an entire bottle of wine for your after-hours celebration. Swell is a proud supporter of the U.S. Fund for UNICEF, American Forests, and RED. All Swell bottles are backed by our 1-year satisfaction guarantee. That was very long. I am sorry. I did not mean for that to be so long. I am obsessed with this bottle. When it says that your cold drinks stay cold for 24 hours and your hot drinks stay hot for 12 hours, like, they're not kidding. That is 100% true. I tested it. Like, I purposely left hot tea in it all day just to see if it would be hot later that day, and it was still super hot, and the same with cold drinks. So I am obsessed with this bottle. I have it's like hard to see, like it has here, like it says Liberty Fabrics and Swell, so like they said they partner with different designers. So this specific design is called Wilshire, and it's with Liberty Fabrics. Oh my gosh, it's hard to see like the silver on this. I think I have the 17-ounce bottle though, and which is like quite a bit of drink. It is hand wash only, so you don't want to put this in the dishwasher, which is kind of a bummer because I like things that I can just stick in the dishwasher. But you know, it's like worth it. It is Bpa-Free, so if you like leave it in your car on a hot day, you don't have to worry about any like toxins leaking into your drink. You can still drink it, you can still use it. I cannot say good things. It says there's no condensation, and that is also true. No matter whether hot or cold drink, I have never had to deal with any kind of condensation on the outside of this bottle. So I can fill it up with whatever I want and then throw it in my purse, and I don't have to worry about it, about condensation getting on like anything in my purse. I really just cannot say enough good things about this, and the pattern is just so cute. Like, I mean, come on. Not only does it work amazingly, but it's also cute. It's crazy. So it has like just a twist cap. Oh, I think I have water in here right now. Yeah, it's a twist cap. I should have emptied this. Wow. That is one thing. I don't know if you can like hear that. It like squeaks a little bit. I don't know, it's kind of annoying, but it's cool. So yeah, it's just a twist cap. It has a nice hole, so a nice, pretty large size opening. So it's pretty easy to pour whatever you want to pour in there. Cleaning it is not like the most fun thing. I had to get like a bottle cleaner, kind of like those like little cleaners that you get for like baby bottles, so that I could clean it. But I mean, still, it's worth it. Said this one was created with Liberty London Fabrics, so they made this collection. I think there's 4 different designs in this collection. You can get it in Primula Blossom, which has, so it's all like floral, this entire collection. You can get it in Betsy Ann. Betsy Ann is very similar to this one. I think the colors are maybe just a little bit lighter or a little bit like brighter and more pastel. I don't know, I feel like that's contradicting, but that's like what it is. Kate and Millie, which is more, has like more blue floral, and then Primula Blossom, which is like kind of a green, blue, yellow type of thing. So yes, like I said, this one is in the design Wiltshire, and it is a 17-ounce bottle, and I just am so obsessed with this. I got this one at Starbucks, but you can also get it on Amazon. You can get it at a ton of different places. Mainly you can't get it at like department stores, like you can't get it at like Target or Walmart or anything like that. You can get it on Amazon, at Starbucks, and then you can get it at like different higher end stores like Lord & Taylor, at least this specific collection. And then also there's the Swell website, obviously. But yeah, it's really great. Like I said, when I bought it, it did come with like a little sticker. Like when I got it, it had like the barcode sticker at the bottom, which was kind of annoying because it was kind of difficult to like peel off. It wasn't a super easy sticker to peel off, so that was a little bit annoying. I wish that wasn't a thing. It took me like a while to like finally get it all off, but I mean, it is what it is. It fits really easily in a car cup holder. It doesn't spill. I've never had to worry about it spilling. So yeah, I highly recommend this bottle to anyone. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.